well-written, brilliantly acted TV shows.
Writing is for bathroom walls, and acting is for getting out of DUI. The only reason TV exists is for reality shows about white trash cutbags doing subhuman made-up jobs.
Yikes. Oh, ew, ew, Dad, no, oh, seriously?
Jail music with George Lucas.
Oh, Ponytail, you're so awesome. Oh no.
Give it 1 minute.
I don't care what people say. I am feeling this unit.
No one feels out a unit like TJ. Not Bubba, not Debbie and Danny, no one.
Oh, mostly worthless junk. Family
Ouch.
photo albums and movies. Kids and bonds. Just some. Here we go.
Well, girls. Look who we have here. Who's playing with her stupid ponytail toy? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. You are a big fat loser. Excuse me, but I have you know that I am not a big fat loser.
High five me, Mark.
Well, if you say you're not, then your ponytail is.
Poor and forgetful. Dead people.
Hey, give that back. I got that for Christmas last year. Ouch. Oh, my dog. Let's go, Gigi.
Looks like you're not the only predatory opportunist in town.
Coming.
Uh-oh, better put on my game shades.
Ha. She'll never find me here. Hey, Amelia, give me back my toy. No. Now how will you get it, loser? Amelia, what have I ever done to you? Nothing. You're so mean. I hate you. You're the stupidest and meanest person I've ever met. I'm glad, loser. I'm just glad. Oh, my dog, where'd she go? I have no idea, Oceana, but we have to find her. Alexis!
Look at all these fitness publications.
Beefcake Max.
I think your dad might be dead.
Bullying is wrong. It should never be tolerated nowhere. So if you bully, please stop. Bye.